and welcome to another exciting episode of Iliashi with me, Maggie. Well, you might wonder and maybe ask yourself, what is Iliashi? Well, on Iliashi, we talk about stories that relate to you. They relate to your daily lives. They affect the society. They affect everyone. Takwaba discrimination, they affect the young, the old, abakote, abaiche, ba youthi, abanakashi, abaome, abaiche. It's everyone because society is everyone. And I always have a very special guest with me in the studio, of course. And I will get to introduce her to you just right after this short, very short commercial break. Welcome back, and you're still here with me, Maggie. Well, before I went on a break, I said that I always have someone very special in the studio with me. Before I introduce her, I just want to say a very big thank you to everyone that watches BMTV on Topstar, channel 114. Those who follow our socials on Facebook at BMTV Zambia, channel 114, and also the ones that follow us on YouTube at BMTV Zambia, and also on Instagram, BMTV Zambia, and to our international fans, international viewers, we just want to say thank you so much for supporting us. In particular, Mama Nambela. I'm very grateful for your support, and to mention a few, I know you're watching this, you're glued, and to also our local Zambian viewers, you are making this show blow out. I do not even know what to say. I don't know how to thank you, but thank you so much for being part of this this journey with us. And I said I have a guest, Mama Chika Monica. You're welcome, Mommy.
Thank you, Maggie.
You look so lovely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mama Chika Monica, we have been talking about a lot of things. And then, you know, when I scroll through social media, I get to see these things. They are everywhere. Abantu kufira maloji. Fide fuma. Abakashana ababalechite fia pusana pama social media. It's now become like it's a trend. You know, anyone can do anything. And I know you, the viewers out there, are relating to these issues and these stories because this is what we talk about. That is what Iliashi is all about. Mama Chika Monica, we have been speaking about a lot of things. And one of the things that we haven't tackled yet is polygamy. So, muchibemba polygamy kutumananda tinishi.
Polygamy ni mpali. Ero mpali, mwa umeulia, upili omwana kashi, upa abana kashi more than one. Nimina kwa tabana kashi batatu na 4. Nangu babirifye. Ulio mulumende twalamu itamusungu ati ni polygamist.
Okay.
Mkwae.
All right. And when it comes to this same issue, why do men actually marry more than one wife? Umwana kashitaba inafu?
Ilieli ashiria likaba Magi. Umwana kashumwe, bambi, taba inafu. Bambi, alaba inafu. Elo, bambi, mukukula. Ifyo tukushaba na Magi fya pusana. Bambi mwaliba kushafe fini omwana liberera fyo kutampa kubwa iche alesenda sendo to anatwabene. So ala na dene fyaka kula takaleke because wakali matakaleka. So ukupe mpali bambi chakumi abo ni intambi. Muno Mzambia twalikwata intambi sharp sana. Ukulingana ukupitira mu mitundu sharp sana. Bambi kwali banga twaisabula ati abatonga balopa kuti opa banteni kuti na twalikwata na bandebere munwayi abesa muno abandebere nabera balopa mpali. But ku mitundu ishingi majority mu Zambia tamwa urutambi rwa mpali. So bali abashakwata urutambi rwa mpali bali bachitira febamo ulunkumbwa. Ero bambi ni pamulandu wa fine abakashana n'abafula abalumendo n'abachepa. So echilerenga sana Magi.
So Mama Chika Monica, now because the men are not enough, is it encouraged that these men are going to start taking 2-3 wives? Vale senda fye nangucha abashana.
Iri ingifye tebe ni aba umeba fwa ati wope mpali 2-3. Na babe ni abakashana mwene bale fwa yaba umenomba Mzambia.
Ala.
Bale itwala kufye.
Ala.
Nkwate kwa checha lembo Bible kuse mushikushia mpela. Babantu bakalafa fyo kula beta kufeti ni ba misses hai. So chali amba muri ino generation yaba lost. generation nangwa aba generation with no direction so abengi fye bakashana bale itwala kofi limbyo mwa omya chafu afyo kulungana na nkwalonga ne kofi ofo ekobwino akwate efumo ngakwate efumo odi omukashana definitely family bala mufuitira hala kwate impali so impali shisa mushilesha lekana
okay
ababa kashana abo tukwete bale ibuwa kuba umende aba umebale kwata bana kashi 10 nangu walikala panganda we mukashimagire kankwe walikala panganda ero washafati nabako neka kuchupo nabako neka kuchupo kiriye chupo wiranda ti wabako weka kuchupo mulandu wakutila aba kashana ababa umemukwete muzambia muno bale tantikaba abana kashi 10 abonse abadi abana basunga alakwanisha monse akasubaka mwana epita monse abakwanishe so muri muchibe magi impali chale mfike chati kama aka lero twarekula impali takwali tetu mfwe ero tatwa kwete sana na bawishini wabalefu mapanga ndamu kumaule abalefu layo no bapali ino shiteri tukwete amule itati batupini ba Gen Z ala bola na ikosa mune mfafi mwali tumfatu tukashano twale irandira pamida tinete tindale no mwa umeoli na size yangawe inyokulala na uli na 50 years eba umeningalala nabo lete expect nshaba kashikunga ndababa de batatala ndirepo bali shwate bali upana kumbali so nangu tauli mumpali shwate kumbali nalikuwa tempali fili nomo pali lero kubana beso emkwae
so number when when a man decides to marry more than one wife. Wait, before I even go there, kwali bako mwatina nakashi aba upa kuba ume abadi more than one.
Yeah, magireli ashwala ndelo waluleta. Ngakulia maule mchalo cha Zambia. Ngakulia maule aya ku high cost na maule Pro Max. Ni bana mayo aba upwa. Badi upwe mpali na mayo ali upwa pali 5. Bonsaba umiala bakumanisha. Aisa makunga ndailinganya kubalume. Efi lili ashimchalo chesu cha Zambia. Ero teti batari kibana mayo ba Mzambia maule. Ni yesterday nalipokea report ati bana mayo bakukitwe ni kukitwe ho mapastors bakukitwe abakashibagwa cyana nabapena kubucende mule ufafi kuri no ushirefe ba pastor bampapata nabana 4 mukashana ali duduila ukulafuma munga ndokulasha ba pastor kya mkurungana alatachiwe mule ufafi
kushafe bashima pepo
bashima pepo ati no kuteti chikaje mapwaji babala na chereketere orocho cha na alafu mafi ali pondoka so abana kashiba Mzambia mwana wandi magi ngatwa ebati ama ule ni bana wene bali mayanda ba upwa ema ule Pro Max ama ule ya ku high cost yabi elo kulunda pono kwebati ifine chili ati ama transfer na bakupera example ai
oh yeah
inene bo teacher abalume bandi ba doctor to aba based mukitwe defyo elo nomba ine balanchita transfer abalume balashara mukitwe bali abalume definitely mpalishire ingira ala kaita ulipo wala ikala 1 month ala kuikalira ta kuikalire pantu ichinde bwende bwe chali shupa so na no mwana kashikulioko yele kulia na otake kade na la upwa ko briefly kulia so na chishupa sana
so this is reality, these things are happening
file chitiko kwa bula no kupita mumbali emkwa file chitika sana kubaka chana na balumeni
it's very disappointing
emkwa na chibipa sana ichalo mwe enwe tulikulishi kushampela kulingana nefya lembwa but fyo buchende bwe nakuli bana mayo aba upwa na bena bali upwa bali upa abaka umwana kashale upa aba ume batatu alekwanisha bonso kubakwanisha alepo ama guest house for a day naba ume abapsana efi Zambia muno
the number if when a man decides to marry more than one wife do they sit down as a family or ila wafeni personal decision if you feel ni aleta fie umwana kashi panganda or let's say, for example, I am married and then my husband wants to take in another wife. Does he consult me or he just does as he pleases?
Bambi, vale pusha. Mukashwandi, ndefo kupa second wife nshile kwanisha. Chala bakuli we mukashuku chipokelela, nanguka na chipokelela. Ala chileta patebo, mwala chitapo discuss. Ba mukashwandi ndefo kupila po mwana kashina umbi iwe magi wala so ndatawe ine bati chilefwa efyo epo na chitampa na kweba wishi befe kwa nangu chikabeshani akopempa na ukwatana tashani na akwata elo bambi limbya lipanga fyo mupuso kuya pero mwana kashifumo elo bamubika pa pressure elo waisa tonto kanti stedo vunde kwata pressure kansumine fyenjenje bamukashwanda tarami upabanga babili elo bambi efyo bafyalwa fyensuna yabo yabapadya tete wikontrole ni bachiliye tete onfe pamona bazi 5 tel galwali hapa 20 wala umfuate na umfundishe suna
mataiwa
ni mataiwa ai ashiria alikosa bambi efyo babafi umulopa wabo kachinga wenda shani kulingana n'ensuna efyo babafi bali pisana baume.
So nomba mukupa abana kashi abengi ate go. What is a man's benefit? Are they actually looking for love or ni pleasure fye yo bade fire or maybe bari batemo afi if you feel bade fire bakwate fi more than
ma gere fafya bakula mpuishe nsuna chapo afi ale ufafye bwino mwine kulingana ne fyale fire po ali fokula bufira bwino tawa mukanye yali shupa ko ligeli ashi pantu kuture mulatire ni nkwana panupene bufi nishita ukwene kuliena lefu na umbi uwa kweba tikai filap sana sometimes wali ali upo mwana kashimwa umwa ume ali upecha na kashali fina umwa ume po amupira tamu napo na meno ya mukashi na fila lenga umwa nakashuwa fina panga ndakwati nituku aba lume na besa takwa bano kupokera takwa bana mwabombe ntakwa ba fiancé takwa abana okay taleta fi appetite mama ka ifo fwe bana kashimagi twabera ko okula appetite kuba umi ifo ba appetito kuba umi nombanga taulepela appetite kumume tauseka no tuma jokes tulio tuchitako aba nankwe munga ndatoloka kwa bepa kupalia bena ta ishwe na ishwe dalisa munga ndalifika ichito yandi fine ni bwaka wamonaka so bale bamwikala bwaka bale lenga umwa umwe okufuma kuya muletero mukashipanganda because kuriyo kwale akunchitwala sango tukashana tuleseka ngefine kamagi kabakaleseka seka kale owe bapokolole chupo kali ala mona ibere achilia ule mona fina bachita invite umwa umwe kubinga tefyo bampela na card ni kapo kuya na kapo aba umyabe gitabasenda bakashikubwinga walishwa reason why chala balolesha ichi chala chifinyo winga bwabene na chishale ichashala yasenda kukenya dudwiroko ekwaya na kena tie bakashi ero nefiko na fiena kuri bana mayo fina denge fiko ndoti ndoti na shira dengo ma umyokupe mpali umwa umetachi tontongenye pona mukutontonganya kwa wakati nkopa pwempa no umulandu wa isho fide fiko ifiko ndela ndapo umwana kashuko luobwalwa wa ndoti umwana kashupe pensunko wa ndoti ababa nakashaba tabafai umwa umetete kale umwa umelafai kasanga ko umwana kashare nunkira ko bwino no cyasa sanga umwana kashare nunkure imbukula na imwerekeni ifyo kuchisha aya umfa kwa kale nunkira ko bwino mwamona ka so munamwine mukufaya tinje mfweko bulombone kwa kana kashaka libusaka mwala sanga chaisa leta nombe mpali panganda pamula ndo afiko fya mwana kashi ifi kona kuma bedroom zepo apyangire ku bedroom ni wanu ye ala ndapokera Maria shaing sana umwana kashukula yebo mulumi ati mule yanshika kona imo bushende boni ngala yanshika fyeneka mule iwasha kona masoko shawe ni mwa iwasha kuteti nkwanishi noku yipikira mwa yipikira okay magi umwana kashinga dechite sharetu mama we mukitenshi mukupe mpali yes
it's true
so impali iringi tashishira fye para bechirenga cause irenga okutira mwa me akupire emkwaye
okay so nomba impali nga yamba if a man decides bamba fye okupa abana kashi mushefira leka kulaba stop nango it just continues nimu ya fye
umulume obenga chakutila atuwakale matakaleka ngai sasa ngati paliaya napenda tapawe miala tolokala na pambi kuti akwata nabana kashiteni ngafabe nende kulondolwera kwa ipantu akale matakale katete aleke kai naberesha umwenso na upo akala mwana fyonso wa mwana mwenso ati utila mupa so akala upa fi kuba nenso abakwata olutambi nga batonga lutambi lwa kuti upo lyonse abali bonse kuti ba upa na ngwa bali teni mlandu ali shwefu baba bonfya bene bambita intambi shimo taba bonfya tini love baba bonfya kunchito bambi walishwe choka
okay
yes pakuti nchito shako shichepeko
Umwa umepa kuti nchito shichepe?
Yes. Umwa umepa kuti nchito shako shichepe. Kwa kula bonfya bana kashe bale mugombela. Elo ichita chabafye kuba umebeka beka bene abagomba fya nchito sha ba civil servant na bambi. Na babene fya bachikulire bali kwa tempali mumbali yo n'abana ndekwe. Ababisana. Na bakashibalisho bali kala pofye na security. Ayengi sana.
So number nish, why don't women leave? Nish tabafuminako. Ngabamona chachiramo ineteti nkwanishe. Abalume bandi. He's brought in another woman. Why can't they just leave the marriage?
Icho tabafumina kuchupo ni chimagi. Abenge abashifuma kuchupo. Nibali abana mayo bamwikala chishasha. Somo nefo banaira abalume. Magi nalapela for example we mwene we weekend hapa iwe. Bakuletera omwana kashimunobe kuti waikala ulayibombera ikwatira fyonse walabula fyo kachola no tubana tikatuleya nomba bali abana mayo abekala fyati balaleta bampando taleta na baya kunchito balaleta na sort kutuma bali pa mine pa mgodi alo sweetheart sort takuli tomato takuli ba baby sopo ya kusambira takuli ba baby tamusongere DSTV ba baby umuna na upo tushitira kufena uni cabbage bali abana kashibala bali bamudenja bali abana kashibali mamdenja because takafume kuchupu ala tontonganya babana nkwete na laba twala kwisa era na inefe ne mwine na lanji kanishani mamunaka so mkuikala kumpali nafi pusana fyatwale ikala kale taule chitana nguchimo tambalale lyo bale kuletera kampompo na bafula pa mine wa isadia wa bada nafi pusana abale lo magi mwana wandi ababe nefi abakashana mbwene mtawntete beka lyo mu yamuletere mpali ala kana sana leo ero ndi musuma ani 50 muri 50
times have changed
change muri gender efyo mwemwe efyo muri so abashifuma kuchupo nibali abakwata natwala kwisaba
bali bafe trapped
bali ba trapped muchupo tatontonkanya testa tamona kona bana kona batwika tutenenshi na ishafati chupo nifinofine mamonaka bali abene abana kashibopile mpali because nanguba mupila talande fish uchitayo na kuletera na kuchilisha hapo kaida mona sana bashitata abengi efyo bachita bala mu market wasanga fishitata na inuka kunchitu ne jacket na tie buno na kwata na kachola na senda alipa wa musalu pakona na ikalira pa pen wachi batu tukuyu apale na le pandilira nishichika shina chika na kunganda ndwi
ayako akapa
market mtakwati ngapi abasunda simpeliko ka 100 kwacha bampela ka 100 peliko ka 50 kwacha bampela ka 50 kwacha efyo chiba magi Bali mu wafya bekala.
So polygamy, the marriage works or at some point fila kokubomba? Does it actually works?
Kuli na mai guru na kuli mai nini?
Kuli bonse babidi.
Fila bombeka kuli bonse babidi.
Okay. I would really love to know how they actually manage ofo bakwanisha
baba. Bakwanisha wino bala afkana iwe nakulaisa 1 week no kuna kwena 1 week.
So kuchinjana.
Mama umetakula magi.
Kuchinjana mama chikoma
deka. Chinja bafyo mlandu wetoroshi banu gate toroshi ga yishumpa. Wonse nika ofela. Ichole ishiba magi. Efe ya bafi. Yoye na teti tutali. Bala beni omuna ba mushiro bala posa ula muna ko ba faza ba posa ne ikofu ya white. Bale kila kusa ya kwa Yesu. Ba ya upa. Ule teka nyere ya shide. Australia siyansuna. Ele barengesha. Mwendele na kweshimidili hosu mwanda makampena papata. Mkwai.
Well, on that note, we're just going to take a very short commercial break and we'll be right back.
New vibes with BMTV. Get ready, Zambia, because BMTV is about to bring you the hits with local stories, drama, comedy, and news that is all about you. Local vibes only. Catch stories from Lusaka to Livingston, towns to villages, Zambian stories told by Zambians. Drama and entertainment, from townships to trending shows, we have the best local content. News that you care about, local news, national pride, and what's happening in your hood. Your stories, our spotlight. We feature you, your talents, and your passions. Tune in now and let's vibe, Zambia. BMTV, Zambia's light, Zambia's voice.
Welcome back to Iliashi. Yes, you're here with me, Maggie, and my beautiful mother, Mama Chikamonika. But before we went on a break, we were still talking about polygamy and what these men actually do to get more than one wife. Nisha, what's your problem? Mama Chikamonika, is there a law that actually allows a man to marry more than one wife?
Takuwa ifunde mchalo chesu cha Zambia ili ya kusuminisha umwaume okupe mpali shibiri tamwaba awe mchalo chesu cha Zambia tamwaba na mu Bible abakali bale upe mpali bati nga walosha kuli Bible kububumbo bwa chalo tefyo ili lesa apangire Adamu ampangire Adamu kama Eva bali febanga babiri tamwali po ba side chick mu yawo abako bati Adamu alapumbukira kotakwali. So yeah, my examples of tufuide to akwata efunde bakonkana mzambi.
Yeah.
Umuntu afide fe kwata one wife.
One wife, one man.
Yes, chapwa. Emkwai. So ngawasango kwati waliupwa magi. Waya ingira mungada yawe na iwa second wife. Ulia first wife. Ile bale mupala kwata marriage certificate. Nga kwata marriage certificate. Iwe second wife. Tawakaye ku court na kukulia kukanswa tina ine ndefu ya marriage certificate. Dangu ni kuloko court kwa diba marriage certificate sewa pabili. Kwa diba marriage certificate yaku court kwa bana marriage certificate yaku civic center. So, he was very powerful. He yaku civic center. Ukuleka na kwa chupo. Na nguka ye upa. Wale taba nakashi na ngubali 10 munganda. Kashini yune ukwete marriage certificate. Nangu hii nefe marriage certificate ya court. Na ye nafenga napoka marriage certificate. Takuli mwana kashumbi ukayapoka marriage certificate. That's why nangu umeafo walanda tilete marriage certificate mwewa kashi. No, mba iwenga wadi upwa kuli umwa ukwete umkashu ukwete marriage certificate. Ni benefit inshwala kwata. Tapali magi. Ifunde yesu ya ibati. Iwe nishitauri mukashi. Bala chitafe consider abana umwine wa 20% ni umbi efya befunde abana fe barabe no fiere ko balia ebo balapendera kuri the percentage abawishi but kuri widow umwine wa uri awine ni uri awine na mayo ukwete
wa number one
emkashi. That's why magi abana kula bata discourage ukupoke few pofya abantu because at the end of the day bala disappointed.
Yeah.
Ububi sana. Ububi. Ero noti ububi wapano no ububi.
Ububi.
Because nshashwane cho ya upila waya upwa kumkuri waya ba second hand. Why?
Nishite tubele first hand.
Instead you wish kwate marriage certificate yobe na iwe abo bale isa ko tafunfu ikabwino. So mwadi ba ma disadvantages muri fi mwana wandi magi. Elo umwa umefye ngatampo okupa magi. Apa ambo kupa ichupe upe because ili ala kushamagiwe taye ope wa size yowe ala ope aka iche.
I've seen it a lot of times even with baba king baba kunsoko tabafwaya utukalambo tubafwa twino tu virgin
bala yabafwaya aka iche bala kupira iwe bala kuletera kambe no kufyala abana era iwe ni shwali fyala kali abana limbe walingira mu menopause waleka no kufyala bali aba ume bakula abana bobi abalumendo bakula uyu mai nini ngata mpo kufyala bali abana abanono mukesa sango kwe bati bali abana bobe abakuru bali bakambo kulala bali abana bafyere uri
ala
kai bali abakala furu tumuna chitike fi bisana mayando magi.
So it happens that when
magi umwa umenga le upe mpali ai aleta abana abanono ero nishari kukwata walikuwa abana bakuru ili ya uishare upo mwana ale upaka ichaka leta panganda na bali abana bakwe bali kula panganda bali abana bakala imina nyina bishana ushoko narosha mona magi ineni kwata bashimpundu ai ero bashimpundu abana bandini aba ume bakuru nabakashana bonse bakulayi ero baya upo omwana kashi umuno bawiso bamuleta so ababana ba festival na fiana ni balamba okumbwa kamaini ni kabawishi
insuna
bakakapele efumo bawishi kwa bulo kwishira wamone fya bipire impali shibi ukuleta abana kashipanga ndapamo chibi because bali abana baumya bafyalwa kali bakalala bamaini ni abaletere bawishipanganda fira chitikefyo sana no kubapera bafuno kufyala mu abana bali abana balandati bali abana bali ba guest because wishafyala omwana erwaya upo omwana kashi ero omwana uli wafyele aisa tampoku lala na bamaini ni babawishi emo baba muno Mzambia abana bafyalwa efyo bali abana bali ba guest bali abana na mucharo tapabo batemwa chimono kwati magi wafyala omwana muri brother wo bali abana barabeta tibana beshiku umwana weshiku oko bamwishibira abantu bamutemo mucharo muno efo mwabafye ni ntambifye ala bafye balafyalwa afye bali ba guest because tachaba mu pipeline yako bati umwana afuri okufyala muri bawishi bawishi afuri okufyala omwana nanguishi afyala omwana wako wakuifyalira bishiku ulio mwana generation yako yonse ikaba yatipwa muchibe mbati inko yako yonse ikaba guest ikaba yati
because you just can't from your father's wife neho amkuingiramo
abakashiba bawiso umwana umwe ayalala bakashiba bamaini ni babawishi baba maini ni bafyala no mwana so ulio mwana ngakula mwala mu 39 ni guest child because tafyala mu rutambiro weso nakubu bumbofe bwa kwalesa tafya bamwefyo ifya kwebati wisha upo mwana kashero umwana wako awishi aisa mpo kufyala abana muri nyina muri maini ni wabawishi takwa so abo abana bali fyalwa bengi pachalo palo kai mwali banenka mufyupo bambita balanda
that's true
ba efira mulando okutira kwali befitipu fya uyo mwana ali ba guest ero ale pita mufintu ifikuru but ale impusho mwana chishirere ngatinde pita muri root cause kuri cause yalengo kutira mwana ale pita muri fyo but banyina tabaka mu bali kakafya ni nkama tabaka mu bati wecha chitike na kufyele muri mumwana wa oko na ile upo kama chaka ichamuselu tachirondorore chankama chamuselu
so number umwana ngai search that discovered my mommy me I was born from my father's aba mama and baba risa bapera nankane fumu kumwana wa dad doesn't that affect the whole relationship between
mwana wandi cholelanda uyo mwana takatemwe banyina akabapata akapatira kumona abayiche bako bonse bali abafyalwa muri banyina urupwa lonsaka lupata chi okay kula bati umwana tinisha patira banyina alikuwa tempi ali wina ero banyina tabaposa kwa mano tawafimuna po efya ifyo
ndafimuna ifingi fye
ni shipari baka hidden agenda pakati hapa eko tete alondolole momona ka bachali mu ikatafi efchi karanguwa la brother obekutua mtemwanga wakula
nawe tete
kula bafye rupato rwa muyaya pantu tachaba mu rutambi wesumagi
it's not normal
if you set fure to ikatako so that ababa shitata batemo kupa babayiche batwala kumayanda bale ishwa kwati bala leta problem bala senda problem kuyifunya pa kuyifunyoko ikayirire batwala kunganda kuyaletera munaba nabakayele ula mwana nangu mwaleta fiwaka iche kumushipanga wakaleta panganda ero mulei kalana komulei kasunga nangu asenda fyaka sister wala kasunga pali abalumendo ngata uli careful bali abalumendo bale mina
sana that's true
bale mina uli omwa ichikano na uposa sana man
incidences ayala chitika they happen around us I mean these are the things that we see happening that's really it's really sad
so issue okay.
And then is there anything good about polygamy
ngafafene tuachitanda twali ba disadvantage twalanda po kwali bana ne polygamy kuba nenswaba upana mumpali fyafine ila fuilisha bashitate nchito pantu bali abana mayo bopa bengi bala mukuba fibombero because they love umwa umete Ethiopia bana kashi 5 years yose ile love takwa babufu
takwa balavu ya bantu 5 ulete mwafye
wana ngubata takwa balavu yo love ya bufi so nga bamyupa batatu 4 5 wisha ati muri fibombelo
bane
mibomfya muri fimawekazi pakutira yena leta mbalala le yafi mule muri mina mule muletero twaku byali mbyawo pa mweba bomba bonso yafola amuturikira ali ayikutale otola yakafunga kambika mwandini netete
so afe kwati ni Mario
fya nomba kairi
era abana kashofo batemwe fine pia kutemwa kubombera omwaume
ino shita ukafuira pumbwa fuirire pali yako pepe fuirire pali yako nga watampo kula upa kumwaume ushire kusapota omwaume iyo ufuire fore ba submissive kumulume efyo lesali tupere pope fya konka Adam na yena bamwe biratukala swetinga pa fwa efya kuli nomba iyo bule nchito ya submissive bule nasuna na nchito ya kwa Adam yonso twike pa mutwe
ero benshi nomba
awe magi munga ndafye nensansa fe pakutishibe mona ngumwe longana buino kanomo amyale fumalele tapoka mo patembo
sana
ifyo kalake mwa hivyari kenyi ifyo magi na papata ale isa felopia lopia mkwai mundali kensala wiki pono kumfufrai pensele ni hapo
I love her so much. Mama shikamula mpanga sana. But there's also the money aspect in this polygamy thing, because most of the times when you ask someone out there, if you go out there and you make a survey, you ask someone, Nomba, why are men marrying more than one woman? In their defense, like, awe. Nina ndrama ine so ninga kwatile wakazi nangu wali 4 nangu wali 5 woshe money, is it a defining factor to get married, to marry a lot of women?
Magi mwana wandinda lama na shena shilalenga ukamona tuwali upilo kuma umeta kwa tempiate ali chindi kadionsa alife mkamutika mangu alevelenga na newspaper no kwa fuako sada ichitoku kwempo kutsashani payadi batinga kwa tempia ala pondoka
sana
so ala tampa no kwata ma girlfriends otali kwata so impia na shena shilalenga elo bambi tenda la maglunkumbu afyaka so nensune yako atapia 100% insuna ya mubiri mwako mutuma okuya mkuchitefu aba luinso fya mfo mchimemba ti luinso mutaki wato luinso na tamona fesketi ya pitani mpung kanwa ya punke kwa timu ya tata wa shaida sketi ya di pung nga walole chef yale nengo musara kuti waiva ti ya tata te jope mpanila muko kupa batu musara taula so kwa nofya bantu abafya fini
nibataira
ala fika nofya ya bule kulia sende kwelo ala ufati hapa nomba na Afrika nomba mukuchitefya msango fili mwali bobo afya sana Margaret because mwana wandi magi mwali befuma mwefingi fibi sana bambi bala fumo na malwele mamonaka bambi bala fuma na amashamu magi
that's true
umwa umyo watemwo kupa upo kolomona efya kolomona ala leta no mwana kashuwa kwata bad luck mu life mwaka muchalo tu abapabiri kwa baba kwata good luck kwa bana baba kwata bad luck bana mayo ukamona magi wa upilo kuma umeta kwetenensa pato wa mupa fe mwalela la pesa mwaya wa mwana fimpia de atampo kula kwa tefyuma nishiwa wa mkashwa kwata speed luck kwa kwata blood ya kaba once atampo kusenda ma ule nombo kuleta mu life mumbo be Margaret akaleta no bad luck ali wini nambo kwenda ni sabato eshaturika efyo fila chitika
and I think that's one thing that men out there are not alert about, and women out there, and I know it also happens both ways kwali bana baome iwe mwana kashita wako ata idia luck but ngawakumanya a certain man, he brings certain aleta ko some improvement in your life and vice versa. Impali nishi ba blulu ba mwaume basomi nishira umwaume kukwata more than one wife
bambi family ya mwaume tabasubinisha bambi balasubinisha magi pamulandu afichitu afya mwana kashi ngatale pokerera abantu bwino alikwata kaso ala tukaba abantu panganda ale yumfwa fidia talepera respect kuchaume bala tunka no kutunka chuka chupile chali tumpa na ufa magi apoka family la tunko mo betichidia ukachupile chali tumpa and for sure ala fuma blue abokia upomo na kashungu no kumushi baba mushi baba family alamba no kufyala abana no kuya ko bakula yako nga afa blue wabo eba kaleta na bana sengya ati abana bali bakwe twale yako chap nishibakulopola so fiance fena filalenga mwana wanje.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. But there are also some women that are just good women. But ichimo wamechafu mafecha ya mkupa umbi, but the family is just not saying anything.
Mwana wandicho kutinaka natakuwa bomo ungafuma fya pali umwana kashuwa babwino aya mkusende mpali bufi. Telling nishpali root cause pali echane.
There's always a cause.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm really learning a lot because this is a very interesting story because I've seen a lot of things happen out there and I'm very curious about them and I really just want to know as to why these things happen the way they do. So in conclusion, Mama Chikamoneka, what would you say about polygamy, especially in modern times? Is this something that is okay with, like we can now get used to living with the fact that men can have more than one wife, or it's something that we should just never accept?
Ineteti nchisuminishe Magi okulanda fe kuli mwabale mfa bonse bashitata kuli program ya kwa Magi ku BMTV ndemyebo okutila ati mukupe mpali mulafu mefintu ifivi so mufiyefe mwataluka ko mulando kwati mwali bana malwele mwali bana matipu mwali bana mashamu so bafile fyo kuleka elo no kuleta fe confusion pabana bali abana ofiere na bana bafyala uli bakatampo kulwa tabakatemwane tachimoneka bwino elo nefyuma fyonso fyo kano nkapesa mbali ya chalo nga wafafye abana bakatsa divide uyalefwa efya kwa wisha babalefwa efya kwa balisha sana ma confusions muchalo so ineteti nsuminishe mpali emkwaye.
All right.
Natotela
emkwaye. Mama Chikamoneka can go on and on and on and on and we can speak. I don't know, we can go on for 2 or 3 hours. It's always nice and entertaining having her around. But my take home today is that it's not a problem to have one wife, to be faithful to one person. It's not a problem. There is no need for you to go out there and look for other women because what do you want that your wife doesn't have? What are you looking for out there that your woman doesn't have? And yes, some traditions may say that it's okay for you to do that. But what do you have to say? Do you always have to follow tradition because tradition is saying that you have to do this? And in these modern times, do you always just have to follow the fact that no, tradition says this? No. I think in these modern times, there should be a change in perception about certain things. We are no longer living in the Noah days. We are living in the now days, the Jesus days. And they don't allow us to do certain things. And one thing that we should always remember is that there's always a law that rebukes certain acts. And there's always the Bible that guides. Well, it's been very nice having you around with us. And we thank you so much for watching us here on Eliashe with me, Maggie, and Mama Chikamoneka. I also just want to say thank you to our international fans and also our local fans. And please, please keep it locked on BMTV Zambia channel 114 Top Star, BMTV Zambia channel 114 on Facebook, and BMTV Zambia on YouTube and all other social media platforms. We definitely are BMTV Zambia. It's been nice having you around. Thank you and see you on another episode on Eliashe.